Here I've got Apple iPhone, and let me show you how to change mail signature on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to open the settings, then find and pick mail right here. And now scroll down to the very bottom of the list. When under composing, you will notice signature right here. So just click here, and if you would like to get rid of this default signature which is sent from my iPhone, smoothly click right here, delete the current signature, and then enter a new one, for example, greetings. Maybe from HardReset.Info team. And then just go back, and as you can see, it has been changed. So from now on, every email will have this notification at the end. So this is it. This is how you can change email signature in your device, in your Apple iPhone 7. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.